Hola a todos! Welcome to Lizzie Loves Languages. In today's lesson, we will learn the many ways to say hello and goodbye in Spanish. The most commonly used phrases to say hello are hola, ¿cómo estás? And ¿qué tal? It is important to know that in Spanish, we greet people according to the context, to the person we're talking to, whether if they are someone we know or we don't know them, and the time of the day. For example, if it's early in the morning, you would want to say buenos días. If it's in the afternoon or past 12 p.m., you will have to say buenas tardes. If it's the evening or at night, then you will have to say buenas noches. There is also another greeting in Spanish that we use, and it's very common when you greet people you know very well or your closest friends, which is ¿qué onda?, which means what's up. Now, if there's someone you haven't seen in a long time or that you just encountered after many years, then you would say hola, ¿cuánto tiempo? Or ¿cuánto tiempo sin verte? Now, to say goodbye, the most commonly used phrases are adiós and hasta luego. If you're going to see someone soon, or you know that you're going to see someone soon, maybe your friends from school or your teacher, then you would say hasta pronto or hasta luego. Sometimes if you're like in a party or a family reunion, you would also have to say con permiso, which would be excuse me. This is a more formal way of excusing you or saying that you have to leave the table or the party. We also like to say cuídate or take care when we say goodbye, especially to family members or close friends. Now let's practice. Which phrase will I use if I haven't seen someone in a while or in a long time? Got it. Hola, ¿cuánto tiempo sin verte? Which phrase will I use to say good morning to my neighbor? Hola, buenos días. When will I use buenas tardes? You're right, after 12 p.m. Which phrase should I use if I know I'm going to see my friend soon? Hasta pronto or hasta luego? Which phrase should I use to greet my closest friends and family members? You got it. ¿Qué onda? Alright guys, that's it for today. Let's make a quick recap. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me at Lizzie Loves Languages. I'll see you next time.